Who's this from? It says it on the front.
This is from Grandpa and Francis. Gigi Paul. Oh, look at that. Oh, what's that?
Target gift card.
It's a Target gift card.
He gave me another one.
2 Target gift cards.
Hey, look, it's in a running.
Look at that.
Turn it over so I can see it. Alright, what's it say?
What's it say?
Santa.
No, what does that say?
Steel.
Now open it up.
Merry Christmas from Gigi Paul and Francis.
That's right.
Merry Christmas from Gigi Paul and Francis.
Awesome.
Look at it right in here.
Gigi Paul made that card on his computer. What do you say?
Open the middle.
Thank you.
Turn it over. Cool.
Thank you.
Tell 'em Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.